Fraction. Define fraction. A fraction is a number that indicated the number of part of a while. This number is called a fraction. We write this number, fraction, by putting a bar between the number of parts taken and total number of parts into which the whole is divided. In fraction 5/6, the number indicates the number of those equal parts used. It is called numerator. The lower number 6 indicated the number of the equal parts of a shape in which it is divided. It is called denominator. Half. Half means one part out of two equal parts of the whole. An apple. Half of the apple. One-third. One-third mean one part out of three equal parts. A single pizza. One-third pizza. Quarter. A quarter is one part out of four equal parts. An apple. Four equal parts of an apple, one part makes a quarter of an apple.